Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.
Are you open in the wintertime?
Yes and no. So we are open. So we close the store down, kind of determined on the weather. Once the snow hits the ground, we're usually just doing direct shipping. However, it doesn't mean that we're not available. So December, January, February, we should definitely be closed. We'll update our website. But we are here if you need us. So I've got customers in Florida. If they need something for their bicycles, we can ship parts, no problem. If the phone isn't answered, we will get back to you within 24 hours, and an email, again, same thing, within 24 hours or sooner. So I work all the time. I'm not ever going to leave you hanging. We are just a phone call and an email away. And then, yeah, depending on the weather in the spring, but we will be open March 1st, 2024. We're opening more because we're busier, which is good. Thank you.